first rates on your screen, and it's going to be a downtick for the Nifty, a downtick for the Sensex, and a downtick for the Bank Nifty. HDFC Bank, in a sense, has acted like a sledgehammer which has broken the back of the bulls, at least in the near term. Bank Nifty is down another 200 points. HDFC Bank is down another 22 points. So it's almost like a 1% kind of a cut, 1.5% kind of a cut for the Bank Nifty, and also for 0.5% cut for the Bank Nifty and 1% plus for HDFC Bank. Now let's roll it over to some PSU banks, especially small denominated PSU banks, both in terms of size and in terms of market cap. IOB, UCO Bank, Central Bank. It's a rub of red for some of these banks right now. Good. SGVN. 8% down in the pre-open session. I'll not be surprised if it is anywhere different now. Now let's look at some other government stocks here. PSU stocks, if I may use that broader terminology, railways and defense, all of them actually HAL, SGVN, Power Grid, Power REC, that entire cahoot, so to speak, in terms of where those prices are. Not too much of a collateral damage. So it's very specific to SGVN where there is news of OFS. Aisha?
Let's check in on what Reliance HDFC Bank is up to, considering they were the ones being heavy on the indexes yesterday. Those stocks will just come up for you on your screens. Besides that, there's Infosys as well, wherein Infy and Nvidia have collaborated to help world's enterprises to boost productivity with generative AI. So just want to check in on Infy, not seeing much of an excitement there. There's Morgan Stanley, which has initiated an outperform with a target price of 24.40 on Keynes. On Sirma SGS, outperform initiation with target price of 671. So look out for what both these names do in trade. SJVN, of course, is tanking as we speak. It's an 8.5% cut that you're seeing on the stock, like Nikunj flagged off. The Sheela Foam as well, wherein they've approved a floor price of 11.33 thereabouts per share for a QIP, which is at the discount to the current market price. The stock, of course, has moved up 2.25% as we speak right now. DCB Bank, they've got an approval granted by the RBI to HDFC AMC to acquire the aggregate holding of up to 9.5% stake, 2% higher for DCB as we speak right now in trade. There's MCX as well, which is proposed to go live on new trading platform by the end of this month. So MCX has gapped up 3.5% as we speak right now. And then, of course, there's Biocon as well, wherein the European Commission has given its nod for one of their biosimilars. So look out for what that stock as well does in trade. So that's pretty much the trading texture and flavor this morning. I also want to check in on AU Bank, Polycab, and then, of course, on RR Cable as well. Remember, that was the big dhamaka listing from yesterday, closed in at a premium to its issue price. Let's see what it's doing on day 2. 1% higher, 1208 is where RR Cable is currently in trade.